Sagai Raj joining us live for more on that. Sagai, it's truly heartbreaking. Can't really hear the stories coming in from the victims' family members. Some of them are still hopeful that they would find their loved ones because bodies of many are yet to be recovered. They're still just missing. For now, they're dubbed as missing.
Everybody here in this relief center have a story to tell. Many of the family members and the entire family have been washed out, so there is nobody even coming forward to look for them. And there are relatives who are here searching for the relatives because there is no family members. The father, son, mother, everybody has been killed in this particular landslide. And there are others like we have two ladies here who are searching for their brother and their family members. 4 to 5 of them has already been disappeared in this particular landslide. എത്ര പേര് എന്ന ആശയം എത്ര പേര് എന്നാണ് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത്?
7 ആളെ കാണാതായിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇനി 2 ആളെ കിട്ടി. ഇനി 5 പേരെ കിട്ടണം.
2 പേര് ഇവരോട് എന്താണ്?
ഇല്ല, മരിച്ചു. നമ്മളെ ഉമ്മയും സഹോദരങ്ങളാണ്. ഉമ്മയും അവര് സഹോദരന്റെ ഫാമിലി. 2 കുട്ടികളുണ്ട്. മോൻക്ക് 14 വയസ്സ്, മോൾക്ക് 11. 3 വീടും പോയി.
3 വീട്. They had 3 houses in Mundakai and they claim that all of them who were staying there houses have been disappeared and they are still searching for them, and they found out 2 mortal remains of the family, and they are hoping that if they find them alive it's well and good, or else they are waiting to take the mortal remains of all these people.
ക്ലാസ് റൂമിന്റെ ചുമതല കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള SPC വോളണ്ടിയർമാർ